stop spending hours filming and editing. In 2026, you don't even need to be on camera to create professional content. And today I'm showing you everything you need to know about HeyGen, the tool that's making traditional video production obsolete. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just curious about AI, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create high quality AI videos from scratch. Head to heygen.com and create an account by clicking on this sign in button. By default, you'll be on a free plan which lets you create up to 3 videos per month that can be up to 3 minutes, which is sufficient for testing out this tool and platform. So, here's the dashboard, your creative hub. But if you're stuck and have no ideas, don't worry, you have a lot of templates. Check this out, and once you click on see all, you'll be taken to the templates page which has tons of video options. Now you can filter them by category like learning, explainer video, social media, ads, etc., or by the orientation of the video. But if you have clear and specific idea that you want to execute, you can simply go back to your video agent and simply describe your video ideas. But you must be seeing this avatar option and wondering what it is. So this lets you decide what sort of avatar appears in your video if you want any. Right now it's on auto mode, which will decide an avatar that's suitable for you. In case if you want to choose one for you, click on this button right here, and here again, just like templates, you can explore all the different avatars that are available. You have filter options where you can select the gender, age, ethnicity, etc., which will only give you the specific avatars. You can even filter and sort them according to their categories like professional, UGC, etc. I like this avatar and it suits the video idea that I'm about to start creating. So I'm going to use this avatar, and now for the description of video, I'm simply going to paste it over here. So this has the main prompt, which is customer onboarding video explaining our SaaS platform key features. Next, I have the style as well as the music option added. Now, if you click on this settings button, you'll get two options. First off, you can decide the length of your video, and I'm going to go with 30 seconds. And second, you can choose the orientation of your video. I'm going to go with portrait. Now, this is a crucial setting, which is this right here. You have two options. Either you can use the chat option, which will plan out the video and take a bit of your time, but it will ensure that you get exactly what you are trying to make. And the second option is to directly generate the video. So I'm going to choose the chat option, and once I hit enter, it will open up this chat for me. Now this gives me a complete plan of exactly what it has decided to add into my video. Now this is the video plan, and I can click on expand button, which will show me everything from script, style, avatar, voice, everything. Now this is the script which has the voiceover as well as the visual side by side, so you can decide if you want any changes to be made. This seems good so far. You have all the necessary features over here as well, like the duration, language, captions, as well as the usage of the credits. So now if you have any changes, you can even go ahead, add it in the chat, and it will create another video plan. But I don't seem to have any problem with this one, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed with this. Now I got this prompt to use suggested memories because that enhances the process of our video making and the character understands the context better. So right now I have 3 pending memories which I have to accept. If you want, you can even view other memories and add one of your own, giving more context to the video as well as the character. And now we have our video ready. Let me show it to you.
Welcome to our SaaS platform. We're excited to have you on board. Let's take a quick tour of your new workspace. Your dashboard is where you'll find everything you need.
It's crazy, right? Because this took me less than 2 minutes to create, and perfect lip syncing, no need to edit anything, perfect. Now, if you want to make some changes to your video, you can click on this edit in AI Studio where you can make changes to your video. Like on your left, you have the script. Here you can change things like the scripting, add a line or two if you want, etc. You can even change the delivery style, by using any of these options, where in the direct voice you'll have to describe the emotion as well as style. In mirror voice you can record a voice and the character will mimic the same, and auto enhance simply make this better. Down here you'll see all your scenes which are added in your video, and also if you hover between two scenes you can find the transition between them. If you want you can apply any of the transitions this like this, and then you can apply it to all the scenes if you want like this. Next you can change the avatar as well as the voice over here, and if you want you can even add customized background in your avatar. So if I choose this color option, I can simply drag any of the color, but that won't be reflected right now because this is the pre-rendered video and the changes that you make will be done after you click on this generate button. So on your right, you'll see all these different options which aren't really useful if you're already editing a video that's been created. But if you are to create a video on your own using your avatar, you can use all these tools like media to add any sort of images in your video. Then elements is to add text elements like these, and shapes if you want. You even have captions option where you can customize the captions that you add to your video, but these caption already have the necessary styling done to them. Other than that, you have layouts where you can decide the layouts of your media as well as avatar. And then you have the templates option which you can use to customize this video output that you're looking at. So that was basically me trying to show you how you can use the AI Studio option. And to preview all the changes that you have made, you can click on this button which will open up this little preview. And once you have made sure that all the changes have been made, you can go ahead, click on this generate button. But right now we have not made any changes, so I'm going to go back. In case the only changes that you wanted to make was in the captioning, then you don't have to actually go to AI Studio. Instead, if you click on this caption button, you'll have the option to change the captioning. Like, let me select this one and check this out. The changes have already been made to your video. Simple, isn't it? Next, to actually download this video, you'll have to click on this download button right here, and here you can download the video. And for captions, you'll have to go to this section and download them as well, which is only available for premium users. So that's it. That's how you can create videos using HeyGen AI in less than 10 minutes. Now take this as a sign to test out this platform and create your first AI video if you haven't done it already. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for daily tech content.